First, let's start by putting the Sony headphones into pairing mode here. On the left-hand side of the headphones here, you'll find the power button. Let's press and hold this for a few seconds. Keep holding until you see the light flashing blue, just like this. That lets you know that it is in the pairing mode. Now on our Samsung phone here, or the S25, let's go to settings. Let's click on connections right here. And then we're going to click on Bluetooth. First, we're going to make sure it's powered on. It has located the Sony headphones here. Let's go ahead and click on it. You do see the pair request here. Go ahead and click on pair. And just like that, your Samsung phone here, the S25, is now connected to the Sony headphones.